Hey there, I got the Miniart Panzer IV Command version. I got it finished, the construction finally, so we've got it all built, ready to go. So that shirts went on very easily. I've had no problems at all with painting this in parts and putting it together after it was painted. Not a problem at all. There's a little bit of a gap, just a tiny gap at the back. But I've got a plan to fix that up. All be fixed up with the weathering process. But it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Miniart have done a really good job. I really like those wheels, those front spokes there. The return rollers I chose are really nice looking. I really like those cast iron rear wheels. The antenna is nice. You got the open hatch there. You've got that little compass that's really nice. We've got a front light here, very nice. Everything about this tank is really good. The block to, do the jacking. You got little chains. I'll have to fix that there, that broke. But Miniart have done fantastic. It's a really, really, really rewarding, awesome kit. So I've just got to drop the little metal mesh parts down in there. I've got them ready, I've just got to finish painting them. And then fully built. But she looks good. Does anyone know what those metal, how they put the metal mesh down there at the bottom of that shirt? What was that for? Exactly. Does anyone know the answer to that? Bloody nice tank. Well, there you go, just a quick look, and I'll speak to you again soon.